G'day! In today's video I'm just going to show you a quick one how to reset the Wi-Fi on it. I received this laptop just as a printer, as a free printer, the HP Envy 64030E, and it's been connected to a Wi-Fi network before. If we look around the back, these aren't physically buttons, they're just indicators. Going around here, we have a Wi-Fi icon, this small little circle right here, with the power button over here. If you push and hold this button in while it's switched on, hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds. The Wi-Fi light should come out or turn off. And then from there, in the HP Smart app, you should be able to see this printer once more as a new printer. So if I grab my phone, and load it up, I have HP Envy 6400. Tap, Wi-Fi password should be located just there, I believe. I believe that would be that pin that's written there. Enter that and you should be okay. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.